Look, we all had COVID at this point. If you haven't had COVID, you're a bitch, dude. Ever since COVID was introduced, I swear to God, sneezing in your mask has just become the new shitting your pants. Am I wrong? I'll be at a grocery store and just like, time to go home, fuck it. No, forget eating, I don't need it. Start the car, whatever. This is so embarrassing. Someone will hear me sneeze and be like, was that you? I'll be like, no, I shit my pants. I'm just, no. I've kind of been reassessing all the reasons why me and my ex, oh, damn, you shit your pants, man. Oh, dude. Buddy, that was raw dog too, no mask or nothing. Oh my God.